Janta, all good things finally come to an end. Sadly, this awesome e-reunion of ours, which had 75% of our batch registering and almost a full team attending in most parts of the event, also has to come to an end. Before I hand over the stage to Pushkar for anchoring the final session of Vote of the Thanks, I request all of you to take one last poll. Please click on the poll button and share your feedback on what was your experience in the last 2 days' time. On your auditorium screen, you will find a poll button. Please go there and give us feedback so that the organizers will be keen to know what can we do better the next time we put together. And I understand that we are going to meet in December. Pushkar, over to you.
Thank you, Manju. And thanks for the great Jantakshari show. We all really loved it. To you and Usha, thank you so much. So, friends, we are now at the end of the second session on the second day, which actually effectively brings us to the end of the session. Of course, the breakout rooms are still available for you to hang out and do bulla. But we wanted to just to quickly get together, you know, some of the key people who had been very instrumental in actually driving, you know, the entire force of this event. And I wanted to personally thank not this set of people, and there are so many others. And I think if I start adding, it probably be half the batch who was involved in some way or the other. And we actually started off with a handful of people, and some of you are here in that. But the way that it unfolded was absolutely amazing. And I wanted to take this opportunity to really thank you from the bottom of my heart that this kind of effort, you know, was driven to this kind of magnitude, which actually so resulted in so much of participation and so many people coming together. Another round of thanks to the families, the spouses and children of the batchmates who have played a huge role in this event. And of course, I have a long thank you list, so I will not go on and on. I have prepared a slide later on, which I will show. But I would just this would not be so complete if I don't thank the team at Nykaa Events. Team at Nykaa Events has been superb. They handled it flawlessly. Of course, any event, whether it's physical or virtual, has some glitches here and there. But the way that you reacted to those mistakes and glitches was absolutely great, and we really appreciate. So, Jinal, Charles, and the entire team of Nykaa, let's give them a big round of applause. Whatever we can do in this kind of virtual scenario. Thank you so much. And there's as I said, a long list of people I wanted to thank, but we'll wait for that. So with that, I will hand over to my partners in crime, starting with DT.
This has been an amazing month and a half. I don't even know where to start, so I will not take any time. I just am amazed at the bonding within our batch, and I totally loved every minute of this. And I look forward to being involved in another one like this again, but I think a few months rest will be good. Thanks again, and thanks to everyone I've worked with. And I look forward to working together on another project again. Over to Ajit.
Hi, everyone. So we've all thoroughly enjoyed this e-reunion, which was hybrid for us in Lucknow because we had 12 batchmates here in Lucknow with their spouses, and it was really exciting. And what is really commendable is the wholehearted efforts of the organizers, the participants, the attendees. And we had about 150 batchmates register, which is more than 70% of the batch. That was really, really amazing. And you'll be happy to note that the generous contributions from the batch amounted to 18.5 lakhs in rupees and $25,000 in USD. And so we've got some amount as excess, which will go towards our pledge to the Institute when we come in December for our reunion. So we have about 6 lakh rupees or 8,000 US dollars left over. So that's a good start for us for planning for our December reunion. So with that, I thank everybody. And yes, the Lucknow gang. And this is the great bonding of the batch. You see that? How we love each other.
So, Ajit Bhai, you have to pass the baton.
Yeah. So over to Salil Dave to take it forward now.
Thank you, Peg. You use the word love. And as I saw the last 2 days and all the efforts going into it, I can say it is the power of love that we saw in action. And I think our batch is like a machine in which you put in 1 unit of love and it multiplies and comes out 10, even 100, not only for our own selves, but also for so many others in society, larger kind of context. So I would just urge each of us who pour in all the love to again do the same for the December event. And all the other people who joined and watched the show, I think you guys have even more talent than the ones you saw in the forefront. So please come out and let us have the same kind of participation in the December physical reunion. The other thing I'd like to add is watching most of these things along with me was Francisca. And she thoroughly enjoyed, even though she doesn't understand much of Hindi, but the love and the energy and the enthusiasm, she just had so many laughs and has so many comments. So I thought I'll just share with her a little bit. And if you'd like to say a few words, and then of course we'll both be there in December to see everybody.
So it was really fun to watch you all, and I had a blast with Salil. So thank you very much for everything.
Thank you. And now over to Sangeeta and Anant.
Yeah, I'll just say one line, maybe a couple of lines. I wanted to say thank you to everybody for attending the event. It was a blast. It was really fun taking part and really fun putting together many of the shows for this event. I wanted to call out Pushkar though. A while ago, Pushkar floated this idea of this e-reunion, and there was not that much uptake on it. Initially, a lot of pushback. And I think he stuck with it. And he pulled in everybody who even pushed back, brought them to participate. They became part of the champions for this event. And now and they love it at this point. And I think he was totally right. This event was fantastic. I think the engagement of everybody, the involvement of so many people, completely surpasses any sort of other event that we've done in the past. So hats off, thanks for your leadership, Pushkar, and thanks for allowing us to be part of it and help you do it.
Yeah, Pushkar, Ajit, Salil, तुसी great हो.
तुम कोई कम great नहीं हो.
हम सब great हैं. So you have to pass the baton somewhere.
I'm sorry, I pass it over to KJ.
Yeah, so actually, I think a lot of this credit goes to the origination of the whole daily Zoom meetings that we had. And I think the batch really bonded over those, and then those morphed a little bit into the spotlight sessions that Salil had. And I think we were all very comfortable meeting virtually. So when this idea of the reunion came forward, it wasn't that big a deal. Of course, a lot of people who hadn't attended those Zoom calls may have had some reservations, but the regulars, we were very convinced that this was the way to do it. And to me, what's even more fantastic is that we could connect with people who would normally not be able to make it to a physical reunions, the families of the dear departed, the professors. I think the virtual platform has so much more potential than a physical reunion, and doing it in the comfort of the home without sort of looking, and especially in these times. So thanks so much to everybody for attending and for giving us the energy to put in the effort to make this a good show. Over to you, Rajiv.
Thank you, KJ. So for me, it was such a revealing event behind all our dear batchmates, all the muggoos, all the smart people, and all the busy people. I found a lot of talent. Particularly, I discovered the humor and the funny part of our friends, and that really showed up in this whole event. I really enjoyed being part of that and taking sort of advantage of their company. I want to thank particularly to Pushkar for getting this event conceptualized and getting it going, and also your willingness to take our changes and updates in the last like 10 minutes of the program about to start. Really appreciate that. And Sangeeta and Ajit and Salil and everybody else, particularly Sangeeta, for getting the Enthu going. No wonder you were in all of our sort of roasting or toasting events. I know in all my events you had a part in there, Sangeeta Devi. So thank you all, and really enjoyed, and hope to see all you guys in December, hopefully. And I'll pass it on to Javed.
Hey guys, first of all, thank you for the opportunity to participate in the reunion, right? And I'm thankful for that. Second thing is, I think we have transitioned from being a batch that was together physically a lot into a successful digitally connected batch over the last 1 year. And I think this is a great testament to the work started by Ajit and then and Salil Dave, who sort of choreographed a bunch of spotlight sessions that have helped. Now, as we look ahead, I am very excited about the physical reunion and so much participation here as well. And I think going forward, the digital platform is part of our physical reunions as well. So people who can't attend can join as well. And I hope we go from 150 people participating to everyone in the batch participating. Again, it's been a blast. And again, thank you for the opportunity. One more thing, I mean, if we had a lot of jokes, we had a lot of fun. At some point, if we cross the line somewhere, sorry about that to the entire batch. But again, it was a great session. Thank you for the opportunity. Passing it on to Anurag.
So first of all, in jest, as Pushkar has given us these brilliant MAGA-like hats, I must say for the Meta people, a lawsuit is being filed for recount. There was a lot of hanging chads. And as a good Republican now, I am, my lawyer, Sanjeev Kumar, is waiting to file a lawsuit for the recount. Nevertheless, just aside, I want to really take a minute to thank individuals here. So Pushkar Mishra, as you all know, Pushkar means the lotus flower, which is considered one of the most sacred things in Hinduism philosophy. And just to quote the words of Amit Ray, where the mind is silent like a lake, the lotus blossoms. And that is what has happened to us. We were all a big lake just flowing along till Pushkar Mishra came along. So in that vein, for those of you who have one, Pushkar, this is for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Anurag.
And lastly, but never the least, again, as you all know, I believe in a lot of movies. So, in Star Wars terminology, Spock says, sometimes or always the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. And Kirk says, no, the one. And that one is Ajit Das. So he has dedicated hours of every day of his life to keeping us all together. And that can never be repeated by anyone else. So in that vein, Ajit, hats off to you. May you keep us all together forever. Over to you, Manju and Usha.
All right, guys, while all of you were speaking, I was just trying to think about what should I speak. This has been an amazing experience for sure, no doubt about that. Okay, I am a very high inertia guy, right? I wish I had contributed more in terms of time to the preparation for the event. I'm glad that towards the end, Pushkar and DT egged me on, and Rajesh Pankaj egged Usha on, and Sanjay Joshi egged both of us on, and we could contribute in some form or the other. Our batch is unbelievable. Our batch truly is unbelievable. Whenever I speak to, I'm very socially connected to a lot of groups in Bangalore. When I talk about our, IITK reunion and this, that, and the other, pagal ho kya tum log? Tum log karte kya ho? This is like our benchmarks of what our batch does. Truly, I don't know. Maneen possibly can, some of the guys who are there in IITK can. I think there's something which is a little hatke in terms of what we do. And I'm so proud to be a part of this batch. That's point number one. Point number two, Pushkar, to you. And I'm sure there are a bunch of other people behind you, DT, Ajit Das. I don't know, therefore I will not take names and possibly leave out names. Pushkar, you are the leader, right? And I remember when you told me once कि यार, I said, boss, in democracy में ज़्यादा काम नहीं करने का, सोचने का, आगे चलने का. Pushkar, hats off to you for taking the leadership role in this entire initiative. I'm sure there were hundreds of people who are behind you, but there has to be somebody who comes and says, oh, okay, right, here's my neck, and my neck is on the line. Kudos to you, Pushkar. And I'm sure you have a lot of people to thank for. And we enjoyed ourselves, myself and Usha, whatever little we could do. I wish I could do more. Thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of this, and whatever way we could. Thank you.
Thank you, Manju. Thank you for the kind words.
Usha.
Hi, guys. I think you all are a fabulous bunch. The friendship and the bonding that you all share is just unbelievable. Nazar na lage. The e-reunion has been so brilliantly conceptualized, implemented with the complete leadership of many of you and the NICA team, who did a fabulous job. Kudos to all of you guys. A special mention that you guys involved the spouses and the family, made us feel so much part of it that we almost forget that we didn't go to IIT Kanpur, but it was just so beautifully blended together, and we feel the family bonding. I've made so many new friends and beautiful learnings. I will just leave you with Farida Khanum's line. Aaj jaane ki zid na karo. Thank you, guys. Thank you for having me with you.
Thank you, Usha. Not only you are from IIT Kanpur, you're also a part of Hall 3, it seems.
Okay, she's not from Hall 3, okay? She's from Hall 2. Hall 3
Aap log jhagda karo.
Okay, so guys, I'm happy to announce the poll results for the survey we just took. So the results are in. We had given 4 options. One, the question was, how would you rate the overall experience at the e-reunion? 1 average, 2 good, 3 super, 4 super se bhi upar. So I'm happy to announce that there is nobody who called it an average. 7% called it good, 14% called it super, and 79% said super se bhi upar. So I think these are fascinating results. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the feedback. So this is really so overwhelming. Thank you so much. So this brings us to the end. I think we just have another slide to share, which is just the acknowledgements and then we are done. Friends, feel free to hang out in the Bulla rooms. There's no recording happening right now, so feel free to be there and talk whatever you wish to. And a good night, a good morning to all of you, and looking forward to seeing you in the physical reunion. And as I think one of our friends mentioned, I think Javed mentioned that that will also be a hybrid, that hopefully a lot of people will make it, and for those who will not make it, we will bring them in virtually. Actually, we did have a symbolism of that with the gang in Taj Lucknow, that it was a physical reunion for some of us. So maybe the other in the month of December, it will be the percentage will be the other way around, that 90% of the batch will be able to meet physically, and for the remaining 10% who cannot make it, we'll have a virtual session. So that's it. Thank you so much, and you have a great day ahead or a night ahead, and looking forward to seeing many of you soon. Bye bye. Okay, so these are some of the acknowledgements. There are too many to read, but I would just say that there is a huge list. This list is by no means comprehensive or exhaustive. There are so many people to thank that it just boggles the mind that how many of you and how many of your family members supported this event. It would not be adequate on my part not to mention some of the key partners we have had in this event. IITK and Alumni Association have been incredible. They supported us all the way along. I mean, it was not an easy task to get information about the professors, or get the videos on campus, or to organize all these sessions with the Dairos and Dean, and so many things that they did. So thank you, Sakshi Gulati from the office of the AA. Thank you so much for your coordination and help. And a big thank you to our video architect, Shyam. You have been great in putting the videos together. So many videos were made by you. I know it's not an easy task. And of course, as I mentioned, the team at Nykaa, so some of our daughters who made the teasers, the DT's, the extremely creative daughter, Dhriti. Thanks to her, Dhriti, please convey our love to her, and she did a wonderful job. And my daughter, who's I think gone to bed right now, she's not around. Charu, she had helped with the teasers. But actually, so many spouses and daughters, they all helped in a big way. So I'm sorry, I'm little unable to read right now. The font is a little small, but I mean, near to say that